Hello everyone! So today I want to show you how could we fill some actions before deletion the record or records, and how could we postpone this deletion. So this deletion by checking some fields in selected elements. I'm just copy the example from outside where is manual and change some names like view model and user interface. Where even did this view model come from? You just don't think about it, because the ComposeEntity KSP just is taking care about it. We just ate before delete and copy this function over there and name of object. We have copied example from this manual site. You could find it under this video as link. And what we have delist the elements you selected for deletion, and view model as I mentioned before, the ComposeEntity create for you, as well as user interface. And just don't pay attention where it come from. Here we have the list of elements you selected, and then press delete button, and we just go this list by cycle, by loop, and bring it to X element. X entity is extension of entity class for more convenient. For example, you could type dot and select value of fields of elements. Instead, just see only ID of related field. And we just check it, and if some element is field describe is not empty, we want to allow delete this element. And just show message for our users why they can delete some element, and return from function. If you return true, and means you cease deletion, just postpone deletion. And if you turn false, it means allow deletion. What next? it should be works. And let's start. Sometimes we need, before first start, clean and rebuild application, because KSP is so young and so nutty. Go to our reference and we never could delete some element in this adjustment, because we are writing in previous video, we are writing some code that feel empty describe before saving. And you could see how working the condition and outlining by read if some field feels incorrect, and just save. We have empty describe now, and we have this code that feel the word saved and date of save in the describe field before saving, and just press save and it filled. But we could delete only empty elements. Let's see, try to delete, confirm, and we could see this message why we can't delete this record. What could we do? We could allow delete this code we have, but we could just pass through, and if we mark for deletion some element, we could delete it. Even if describe is not blank, we just add some condition like cur.link is marked for deletion. If not is marked for deletion and it's not blank, then we don't allow delete, but otherwise we always could delete if element is marked for deletion. It out again and restart. And what we see, we could see this element marked and press delete. Oh, sorry, not edit, press delete. Delete, confirm, and is deleted. It works, but if we want to delete this element with describe, we can't. We could see this message. It shows message for us. We can't delete this element. So I showed you how could you check elements before deletion and cease the deletion process. And if you like it, if you want to see some new, ask me questions. What do you want to see, and press them up. And happy coding with ComposeEntity. See you.